Assalamualaikum. Class A. Today we are going to start new grammar topic, which is adjectives. It is given on page number 79 of your grammar book. Okay, so what is adjective or what are adjectives? Any noun or any word which describes the noun. कोई भी word जो noun को describe करे, it is called as adjective, which tells about the noun or it describes that how that noun is known as adjective. For example, number one sentence is written, Malaika is an intelligent girl. So over here, girl is a noun, and we are telling that how is that girl. So according to the sentence, she is an intelligent girl. So over here, intelligent is an adjective because it is describing the girl, that she is an intelligent girl. Okay. So any word that describes the noun is known as adjective. कोई भी लफ्ज़ जो कि आपके noun की खासियत को बयान करे या वो किस तरीके का है उसको बयान करे, उसको adjective कहते हैं. Similarly goes for the second sentence. Mohsin is a stupid boy. Mohsin is a stupid boy means कि boy is a noun and stupid is a adjective. कि वो एक stupid लड़का है. कैसा लड़का है? Stupid लड़का है. The earth is round. Over here the earth कैसा है हमारा? It is round. So it is describing how is our earth. The word which is describing our earth is round. So round is adjective. Okay class. So these are known as adjectives. Now we will move on to the next page. Over here some kinds of adjectives are given. Some important kinds of adjectives are adjective of quality, quantity, number, size, shape, color, distributive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, proper adjectives, possessive adjectives, absolute adjectives, demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so first is quality, adjectives of quality. So जो कि किसी नाउन की क्वालिटी को डिस्क्राइब करें उन्हें adjectives of quality कहते हैं. For example, beautiful, honest, good, big, long, first, nice, heavy, smart, white, intelligent, excellent. So these are some common adjectives of quality. Second is quantity. Quantity means that how much that noun is present, means के कितनी मिकदार में वो noun जो भी है वो कितनी मिकदार में present है, उसको adjective of quantity कहते हैं. Such as some, much, whole, full, half, any, little, enough, many. Now adjective of number, any number और again number भी quantity में आ जाता है. So adjectives भी numbers को भी कहते हैं. अगर if in any sentence number is describing any noun, so that number will be adjective, such as 6, several, all, men, all, most people, first, many, sufficient, 700, insufficient, 1000. Okay, so these are some of the adjectives of number. Now adjective of size, the words that describe the size of noun are also known as adjectives, such as short, little, small, big, large, tiny, huge, medium, wide. Now adjective of shape, shapes, you know what kind of shapes are there, such as oval, circular, zigzag, rectangular, triangular, flat, round, chubby, square. Okay. Now adjectives of color. Color, any color, if there is any color that is describing the noun, it would be, the color would be adjective. Okay, for example, I say blue sky, so blue will be adjective. A black cow, so black will be adjective. So colors are basically adjectives. So I'm not reading out the names of colors, you already know that. Now distributive adjectives. Okay, distributive adjectives. Distributive means कि जो distribution को describe करें, those adjectives that describe the distribution. For example, each, every, either and neither. Each means to everyone, every also. Each means to मतलब specifically one each. Okay, every child means to everyone present over there. Either of you means के कोई भी एक, दोनों में से कोई भी एक. And neither of you means no one. तुम दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. Okay. Now interrogative adjectives. Adjectives that have questions that are used for questions are known as interrogative adjectives. The word interrogative is already the questioning word. Okay. So these adjectives are whose, what, which, and okay, whose, what, and which. Whose, what, and which. Now, proper adjectives. Proper adjectives means the proper nouns. Proper nouns such as पाकिस्तान है तो पाकिस्तानी will be the adjective. China है तो Chinese will be the adjective. America है तो American will be the adjective. Japan is say Japanese will be the adjective. Italy से Italian will be the adjective. Africa से African will be the adjective. So from nouns जो कि adjectives निकले, proper noun से जो भी adjectives निकले उन्हें proper adjectives कहते हैं. Now possessive adjectives, my, our, your, his, her, its, and there are, these type of words are known as possessive adjectives. Which kind of words? My, our, your, his, her, its, and their. Now absolute adjectives. Absolute adjectives means these are total, dead, final, fatal, supreme, empty, fantastic, complete, perfect, eternal, unique, and infinite. These words those are given are known as absolute adjectives. Some adjectives express ideas that cannot be graded. For example, a person can be more or less dead. In the same way, a sphere can be more or less round. In grammar, these adjectives are called as non-gradable or absolute adjectives. ठीक है. कुछ adjectives जो हैं वो हम मोर या लेस में डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते. लाइक कि कोई इंसान पूरा या आधा मरा हुआ नहीं हो सकता, या फिर जो एक सर्कल है वो पूरा या कम गोल यानी कि राउंड नहीं हो सकता. तो ऐसे वर्ड्स को हम एब्सोल्यूट एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. नाउ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव, द एडजेक्टिव्स व्हिच डिनोट अ पर्सन और अ थिंग सेपरेटली आर कॉल्ड एज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. दोज एडजेक्टिव जो कि किसी पर्सन को सेपरेटली स्पेसिफाई करें तो उसको हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल दीज शूज़, दीज मीन्स के ये वाले शूज़, तो हमने स्पेसिफिकली इसको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया तो ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव हो गया. दोज चेयर्स, वो वाली चेयर्स. द फॉर्मर कैप्टन ऑफ द टीम वाज तारिक. ओके, फॉर्मर मीन्स साबिक कप्तान. So these, those, and former over here are the demonstrative adjectives. These, those, and former are the demonstrative adjective. Again, I repeat, the adjectives which denote a person or a thing separately are called as demonstrative adjectives. Okay. Now, formation of adjectives on page number 82. Formation of adjectives. We usually form adjectives by adding suffixes to nouns. The following suffixes such as ish, ful, less, ive, ous, al, y, ive, and ly. For example, if the word is fool, we will add ish to foolish ban jayega. White se whitish, black se blackish. And now in which words we add full? Beauty, beautiful, color, colorful, faith, faithful, fear. Now we will add less, fear, fearless, care, careless, leaf, leafless. Now in which words we add ous, glory, glorious, envy, envious, courage, courageous. Now talk. Now we will add in these words ive, talk, talkative, act, active, create, creative. Now in which words we add al, tragic, tragical, comic, comical, cleric, clerical. Similarly over here now we'll add y and ive, storm, stormy, dirt, dirty, oil, oily, sun, sunny, expense. Now ive, expense, expensive, attraction, attractive, act, active, defense, defensive. Now in which nouns we add ly, week, weekly, year, yearly, father, fatherly, brother, brotherly, ghost, ghostly, friend, friendly, cost, costly, and month, monthly. So these in this way we form the adjective from the noun. Now there are some exercise given on page number 83. Page number 83. There are 3 exercises given. Exercise A, B and C. And class 8 you have to do adjectives, exercise A, B and C, which is given on page number 83. Okay, so in exercise A, what you have to do, in exercise number A, you have to just underline the adjectives given. The question is written, underline the adjectives and translate the sentences into Urdu. Okay, but so you have to do the whole thing. It is a beautiful thing. You just have to underline the adjectives in this sentence. Don't translate them into Urdu. Just write the adjective given in this sentence on the given blanks. Okay. इन सारे सेंटेंस में जो भी एडजेक्टिव्स हैं इनको इन ब्लैंक्स में लिख देना. फॉर एग्जांपल इट इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग, तो वो बिल्डिंग कैसी है? ब्यूटीफुल. ब्यूटीफुल इज एडजेक्टिव, तो वी विल नोट डाउन द ब्यूटीफुल ओवर हेयर इन द ब्लैंक. ओके, तो इसी तरीके से आपको सारे करने हैं. मैं आपको दूसरा भी बता देती हूँ. ही इज़ अ केयरलेस ड्राइवर. वो कैसा ड्राइवर है? केयरलेस. तो केयरलेस विल बी एडजेक्टिव. ओके, सो केयरलेस को हम इस ब्लैंक में लिख देंगे. नाउ एक्सरसाइज नंबर बी इज राइट द काइंड ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव. नाउ ओवर हियर you have to describe the kind of adjective which we have discussed in the previous slides, and you have to go through the page number 80 and 81 of your books in order to know which nouns are of which kind of adjectives, and then you will easily do the exercise number B. For example, heavy is the quality of noun, so it would be the kind of adjective quality. Now 7 is the kind of adjective number. Okay, it is a number. British army, it is a proper adjective. Okay, those are the demonstrative adjective. Okay, इसी तरीके से you will go through page number 80 and 81 of your books, and you have to do exercise number B also. Now number exercise C, form the adjectives. Black, there are some words given and you have to write form the adjectives from the given nouns. You have learned this on page number 82. You have to see how to form the adjectives. Like black hai, so we will add which kind of suffix we will add in black to form the adjective. I'll tell you. Black, blackish. We add ish to form the adjective. Black से blackish. Cleric है तो cleric से we add al, clerical. Courage है तो we add courageous, ous, courageous. Devil you have to do by yourself, and rest of the adjectives you also have to form by yourself. Okay class, now the adjective topic is completed and you have to do all the adjectives by yourself. Thank you class.